It's not like a proper full play. You won't see us perform physically as much as try to perform through our voices and give you a sense of what the play is about. We're doing Gary Michael Kluger's The Actors, which is a duologue between two actors. The setting is, let me tell you, that this is a casting office, as you would have it in a typical advertising casting office. The two of us are sitting. The two of us are actors, like the name of the play suggests, and we're sitting waiting for our turn to come to give our auditions, and that's where the play begins. So yeah, should we turn off the comments? Should we
Yeah,
begin?
I've done that. I've done that, Nandan. Yeah.
Ready whenever you are.
Yeah. So just to add, Nandan, so this is an office, casting office setting, and we both are actors, and we have come here to audition for an ad film. So we have come here to audition for an ad film, and that's how we are sitting here, and that's the situation. So yeah, Nandan, I think now we should begin.
Awesome. So yeah, Bombay Theatre Company presents The Actors by Gary Michael Kluger, performed by Ravish Jaiswal and Nandan Majumdar. And here it goes. Na, 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 na. Na 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 na, hey Jude. Na 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 na. Na 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 na, hey Jude.
Excuse me. Excuse me. My contemplative silence isn't bothering you, is it?
You're talking to me?
Keen grasp of the obvious you have there. Yes, I am talking to you.
What can I do for you?
I'm trying to prepare, and you're humming. At least I assume it's humming. It's interrupting me.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'll be quiet.
Thank you.
My pleasure. So, what are you preparing for?
Since I'm sitting in a casting office, my first guess would be an audition.
Oh. Hey, look, we're both preparing for the same part. We're auditioning for the same part.
How nice for us. And I suppose that sparks feelings of kinship for you, huh?
I was just making small talk.
Please don't make any small talk. I would like to prepare. I need to center myself. All right?
Yeah. Please go right ahead. Center yourself. Forget that I'm even here.
Yeah.
From your mouth?
Hey! What are you doing?
Hey, you scared me, man. I was just looking at you, centering yourself. You didn't even move. I've never seen anyone do that before. You didn't even move.
Of course I didn't. When you center, it's not physical, it's internal. You get that?
Oh, I see. Where did you learn that?
From Lee.
Is it one of those Asian things, Bruce Lee?
No, it's not Bruce Lee, idiot. It's Lee Strasberg. You haven't heard of Lee Strasberg?
No, No, was he ever on Friends? Who's Lee Strasberg?
Where were you raised? He's one of the greatest acting teachers that ever lived. You never heard of him? I mean, how long have you been acting?
Little over a year.
Is it? And you are here in the audition office. Amazing. During my first year of acting, I wasn't even allowed to audition. I wasn't even allowed to talk.
Why?
Because until I understood my craft, until I could start to create a character, what I had to say as an actor was irrelevant. I wasn't worthy of being heard. Yeah.
Who told you that, man?
Stella Adler.
I'm guessing she's Mr. Strasberg's sister.
Where exactly did you study acting, if I may know?
What's to study? They give you things to say, you say them. Pretty straightforward. No?
It would. Huh. Do you want to know how it's done professionally? Huh?
Sure. Sounds like fun.
Fun. Acting is not fun, all right? It's an art. And art is suffering. It's digging down into the depths of your soul and despair. It's reaching down and grabbing that innermost secret part of yourself, wrenching it out and laying it bare for the world to see and trample on. The one thing, it's not fun. Understand?
Yeah, I understand. Boy, you take this acting stuff really seriously, don't you?
Do you want to do this or not?
Yeah. I do. I do. I really do.
Okay. So stand up. Yeah. And close your
Okay.
eyes. Close your eyes.
Why?
Because you can't connect with your inner self if you are connected to the outer world. If you can see the outer world, you are connected to it.
Oh, makes sense. Okay, I'll close my eyes.
Good. Now spread your arms wide. Don't ask why. Just do it. Just do it. Yeah. Now I want you to let your feet and legs become one with the floor, and your body one with the air, and your mind one with the universe.
Buddy, you're spreading me a little too thin here, aren't you?
What?
It's kind of hard to become one with anything when my mind is in the universe, my body is in the air, my feet are on the floor.
You're missing the point. This is to free you up so you can dive into your character and pull its heart out.
I don't want to pull its heart out. I just want to read what he or she is supposed to say.
But until you understand this person, how can you portray him or her? Tell me.
This is a dog commercial that we're auditioning for. All I have to understand is that this person has a dog, Rex, who likes Dr. Wu's Chinese dog food.
This is my point. And this was Lee Strasberg's point. If that's all you know, you have just scratched the surface, all right? If you don't explore more than that, how do you expect to get a job? Tell me.
I've gotten jobs before. I've gotten jobs. I've done some commercials.
Okay, you have done commercials. How many commercials could you have possibly gotten?
Last year, 14.
14.
Is that a lot?
It's okay. What are they? Those little local things, right?
No. They were those ones which were shown all over the country. My agent said they were called. They were called.
Nationals.
Yeah. He said they were called nationals.
Okay. You did 14 national commercials last year.
They were fun too. I actually made enough money to put a down payment on a house.
Oh. Um, well, until you learn more, I wouldn't expect that to last for you too long.
Tell me about it. Since the beginning of this year, I've only done about three.
But it's only February.
No, I know, but see, last year around this time, I had done five.
Five. Okay. Uh, um, so tell me, what exactly do you do when you go for an audition?
Well, wait. What about Mr. Strasberg and Miss Adler?
Oh, forget them. You tell me about yourself. What do you do when you
But
audition?
I thought they were the best. No?
Did they ever do 14 national commercials in 1 year? You bet they didn't. So you just tell me about you. So what do you do when you audition?
Okay. You see, I walk in there.
Yeah,
I, I walk in there,
yeah.
and then I call my dog.
Your dog.
Yeah, Rex.
Oh, you're talking in context to this audition. All right. Yeah, yeah. You call your dog.
Rex, the dog. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
I call Rex the dog. I go in there and I'm like, come here, boy,
Okay.
like that.
Yeah. Okay, I'll try. Hey, Rex. Hey, come here. Come here.
No. You're doing
What?
it wrong. You're doing
Oh,
it wrong. It's
okay.
come here, boy,
All right.
like that.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's a tune. It's a okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Just have
Sure,
fun with
sure.
it.
Yeah. I'll have fun. Yeah. Hey, Rex. Hey, come here. Yes. I
Yeah.
think I'm getting it right. I'm getting it. Um, so, shall I go and audition first? I mean, will that be okay with you? I think I'm prepared.
Just go right ahead, man. All the best.
All right. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I'll just audition and come back. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Thank you.
Hey, just remember, uh,
Yes. I'll do that. Yeah.
Strasbourg. Ah, come here, boy.